Hey y'all, it's me Nick with the Decampers, and I am sitting in the hallway of the trailer at the bathroom door because I get to fix a leaking toilet. Yay. Okay, so what I've got going on here, I have the Dometic 310, I think, porcelain bowl, but it's like not the elongated, you know. Anyways, our last camp out, 4th of July, I noticed a couple times a little bit of water running across the bathroom floor from the toilet. And so I am really hoping it's just the valve. That's what I'm going to replace today. And so let me show you how it's going. Okay, so here we go. I've kind of gotten prepared. Here's our toilet. It's the Dometic, right? Dometic. Porcelain there, plastic there. Anyways, I noticed water just on the floor running across. And looking online and stuff, people are saying, okay, it's the valve, which is here. And so I bought a new one. I bought it on Amazon. It was 35 bucks. This is Dometic OEM. There are cheaper ones that I saw for 20 bucks that say, oh, they're improved, they're more resistant to freezing. But then I read the reviews and everything, and people were like, buy it at your own peril because they were leaking really bad. So if you're gonna do this, just get the OEM. 35 bucks on Amazon. I got it in like one day. So it's kind of what we're looking at dealing with here. Unfortunately for me, this is a PEX clamp, and I have PEX tools and everything, but I only have 1/2-inch rings. So I'm going to see how that goes. I'm not so sure my 1/2-inch will fit. Doesn't look like 1/2-inch. That's more like 1/2-inch. So anyways, there are a couple screws. I just took one out here. We unscrew there. That's the water line, feeds the toilet with fresh water. Our trailer's in the driveway. We haven't had water hooked up to it for a while, and a whole lot more water came out of that line than I expected. I imagine it came from all the way up there and some out of that blue water inlet. So, like I said, I've taken one screw out. There's one here and one on the opposite corner down there. Looks like this. So let me take that next screw out. Okay, just kidding. Looks like there's only one screw, thankfully, because I can't even see the placement for the other screw. I was thinking there were two because you can see here there's a place for a screw, there's a place for a screw. And so you see these little press hooks here. So you can see that little indentation there. There's one there. You're going to press on these two little hook spring things. You're gonna press here, you're gonna press there, and that is going to release it. Let me see if I can do it one-handed. Oh, I think maybe I'm gonna get it. Maybe not. Oh, look at that. Look at that. So when you do your foot flush, when you push it down, somewhere in there, it's pushing this little guy in, which opens the valve and lets water come. Well, it's already pressurized here. When you flush, it pushes it on that, opens a little valve, and then allows water to come up into the toilet bowl. Am I the only one noticing David's lost contact? Disgusting. Glad he didn't find that and put it back in. Gosh, should get cleaned. Okay, old one, new one. To get the metal ring off that was here, clamped there, I just took my PEX tool, clamped onto it and twisted, and then used my little screwdriver to pry it off. And yeah, the PEX rings I have are way too small. And I am not going to the store today. It is like a 25-minute drive into town from where we live. So that'll be a tomorrow thing. But until then, I can do the rest of it, which is simple, and something I really appreciate. Thank you, Dometic. It already has plumber's tape on it. Or am I tripping? I'm tripping. It's just a lip. Dang it. Take it back, Dometic. I take it back. And honestly, there's no plumber's tape at all. Not even on the original one. Wow. Are we surprised by that? No. Do RV manufacturers take shortcuts? Yes. Anyways, I'm gonna grab some plumber's tape. Balancing my phone on my leg. Let me see if I can do this. I love getting it started. I am not a professional plumber, but I am a professional, don't want to pay someone to fix stuff. Oh, and just like that, Louise, she got some plumbing tape. Okay, so it should just like pop in. Oh, it popped in. Okay. Loosey goosey. I guess that's why the little retainer screw, huh? Jeez. Okay, let me put the retainer screw in with. Yeah, I'm not gonna go dig for a better screwdriver. I'm just gonna struggle bust through with this one and be frustrated instead of just, you know, not being lazy and looking for a better one. So I have to have both hands for that. Okay, she's not so loose anymore. Sounds like a personal problem. Get my plumber's tape. Okay. Make sure I'm not cross-threading. There we go. Something I'd really like to do, I've done it on most of the trailer, is these little cheap-ass plastic fittings. I've been replacing them with brass, like residential PEX, and on-off switches, or knobs, you know, like you see under the sink at home. So I'd really like to do that. I don't know if I can find one that would screw on like this, but really want to do that. Then if I have some kind of catastrophic leak with this thing again, I can just shut the water off to it and continue camping. Okay, well, I cannot put, I mean, I can slide it on, but I'm not done. I need to put a ring, the little metal PEX ring on this before I can really slide it on and clamp it down. And that's it. Okay, so surprise, surprise, just when I was going to throw the packaging away to that valve, oh my gosh, it had a clamp in the packaging. So I can use that to put that there, and I don't have to run to town to buy a kind of pricey package of little PEX clamps for that. So here I go, I'm going to put that on, and then I should be done. It's not exactly my favorite device, but it will work. It is here. Let's see if I can hold the camera and do this. Shouldn't be too bad. I'm gonna make sure and turn this, face this to where I can actually access the little tightening screw. Swear it has been a RV repair kind of day around here. Okay, I'm gonna have to get this started because I need to have both hands. Cool. So I would never recommend you use a drill, but I'm a professional at screwing things up, and I've got it set real light, so it's not gonna just like over tighten and snap anything. And there we go. Ta-da! I should be done now. Thank goodness. Thanks for watching. I hope that's it, because I really don't want to take this toilet off of the floor and look down the the hole into the tank. I really don't want to have to like replace the gasket. I'm really not into that. So she needs to be good, because I'm not trying to deal with this. Ugh. if it needs to be done, I'm gonna end up doing it at camp. We have a camp trip. Another one of our little LGBTQ camping club David and I started. We have our second camp out coming up. First camp out video, I'm working on it. So I'm trying to get the trailer some things buttoned up before we go to that. So until next time, guys, I wish I had the correct PEX ring to show you guys. But anyways, cross your fingers for me that that's it. I really am not trying to open up this toilet into that stank black tank. Okay, subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. Appreciate you guys. Bye.